In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up a TradingView account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the search bar. Type in TradingView and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the first result to open the official TradingView website. After the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Get Started. Click on that button to begin the account setup process. Once you are on the sign-up page, look for the free plan option. You should see a plan labeled as free with no credit card required. Select the sign-up option under that plan to continue. Next, you will be presented with several different sign-up methods. TradingView allows you to register using services such as Google, Facebook, X, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or an email address. Choose the sign-up method you prefer. For this walkthrough, select Sign Up. After clicking it, a list of available Google accounts may appear. Choose the Google account you want to use for your TradingView account. Once you have selected your account, TradingView will guide you to the Profile Setup section. Here, you will be asked to create a username. Enter the username you would like to use for your account. Take a moment to review it before moving on. Below the username field, you may see an option related to receiving marketing emails and special offers. If you would like to receive those emails, leave the box checked. If you do not want to receive them, remove the check mark before continuing. Next, locate the checkbox for the terms and conditions. Read through the information if needed, then check the box to confirm your agreement with the terms. After completing those fields, click the Next button to continue. TradingView will then finish creating your account and redirect you to the platform. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should now see your account profile displayed there, confirming that your account has been created successfully. At this point, your TradingView account is fully set up and ready to use. You have completed the registration process, selected your sign-up method, created a username, reviewed the available email preferences, agreed to the terms, and finalized your account setup. And that's all there is to it. Your TradingView account is now active and ready to go. Thank you for watching.